Okay, so welcome back sa Quick Calculus, and in this video we'll again have an example involving limits at infinity. So we have here limit as x approaches infinity ng 4x plus square root of 16x squared minus 2x. So again, what we do is to try and substitute yung infinity muna. No? So let's try 4 times infinity plus square root ng 16 times infinity squared minus 2 times infinity. So this part would become infinity minus infinity, and sinabi natin na infinity minus infinity is indeterminate. Okay? So kailangan natin gawan ng paraan, no? And ano yung mga paraan natin? We try to factor, we try to simplify, and we try to take the conjugate. Okay? So we can try to take the conjugate of this, no? Pero it will be a very long process, as we have seen from our previous example. Diba? So what we can do is to use the idea of limit as x approaches positive infinity ng c over x to the n is equal to 0. Okay, so paano natin gagawin yun with this example? Okay, so what we can do is to try and factor out x. Okay, so how do we do that? So limit as x approaches infinity ng 4x plus x square root ng 16 minus 2 over x. Tama? And what does this do for us? We use this idea. Okay, we can now exploit the idea na c over x to the n as x approaches positive infinity is 0. Okay, so we know that this term would be 0. So we are now left with limit as x approaches infinity ng 4x plus x square root ng 16 minus 2 over infinity. Okay, so if we substitute infinity, 4 times infinity plus infinity square root of 16, or which is just 4. No? So we get now 4 infinity plus 4 times infinity, which is 8 infinity, or just basically just positive infinity. Okay, so again, what we tried to do here is to convert yung ating original problem into a form na c over x to the n, kasi alam natin na magiging 0 siya. Okay, so that is another technique that we can always use kapag meron tayo limits at infinity. So see you again in the next video.